1 minute. 1 minute. Oh my gosh, you guys ready? You guys ready? I gotta announce it to the Discord. Okay. We're back. We're back with another stream. PM session. Welcome. Okay. AM session. Little Duke. Dookie. Just a little Dookie. We've had one little slight move and then just nothing much, man. And then we just get into consolidation. But there's an if this, then that scenario. So that brings hope. I see a new day opening gap and then a rally to the highs. Fire t-shirt. Thank you, brother. It's Armani. Or not Armani. Amiri. Oh. 22. I don't know why the number 22 is on there. I'm 20. But let's jump to the charts. Hopefully we get an entry, guys. Hopefully we get an entry. 22K subs. Oh, that's right. 22K subs. Anyways, we got a session ahead of us. We got an if this, then that scenario. You see we have a new day opening gap untouched there. I want to see it push down in there. I am in meta longs, guys. I purchased those longs over the previous at a 667 entry right here. So we're in profit by, are you ready? We're in profit by 0.3%. We're in profit by 0.3%, guys. Huge profit. I think I might cash out. Let's see how much I'm up. Guys, I might cash out already. Free, let's see it. Oh yeah, I'm up $300. I'm cashing. Kidding. Anyways, but beautiful rally so far. I want to see price action rally down to that new day opening gap, take these lows and then push back up towards some highs and start shifting structure. We have a big day tomorrow, guys, so I'm not anticipating much. We have a big day tomorrow. You need more than a solid month, Bond, to go full time. You need consistent solid months. What's up, Jacob? What's up, guys? Y'all ready for the Vegas vlog? I'm going to Vegas tomorrow. I'm going to be streaming in Vegas in the Encore Resort. I'm going to be streaming there. That's going to be so sick, guys. That's going to be so sick. We're going to be streaming in Las Vegas. Not tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm streaming here, but the day after. I leave tomorrow at night. Which will be pretty cool. Look at this chop right here. You live in Vegas, bro? Damn. Will Camelot be in my basement? Probably. But we're waiting for an if this, then that scenario. What is that if this, then that? We want to see boop. New day opening gap. Rally up. Maybe PM gives us a little bit of a movement here. Just something like that. I won't even go for these highs. I just want to see a dip down to that new day opening gap and then a rally back up to these relative equal highs. That's ideally what I want to see here, chat. That's ideally what I want to see here. But we got another banger stream, fellas. So let's lock and load. Lock and load. Yeah, it's FOMC tomorrow. What are your predictions for FOMC, guys? What do you think is going to happen? I'm looking at, I mean, that meta position looks beautiful. I'm looking at NQ right now, and it just looks like it's consolidating a little bit, but I do think we have one more rally down to the downside. We do have that new day opening gap right there that we can touch into, but if you look, I mean, if you look at that 1 hour, look at what we have right here. right? Look at this sweet little inversion that we're bouncing off of. So if we get rid of that new to opening gap, look at that sweet little inversion that we're bouncing off of. So there might not be a reason to turn down lower. We'll see. But this PA is just chop. If anything, clean will come out today. I mean, listen, we're one little thing. Thank you, Leonard, for the subscription. We're one little thing away from a nice rally to the upside. I think it's lunch. That's all I think it is this consolidation is just lunch hour consolidation, and we're pushing out of that. So give it a little bit of time, guys. I think we're gonna find something here. We'll pick up some more speed, some more volatility, break out of that range. Hopefully. Not a lot of people are trading PM session, though. Not a lot of people are trading PM session. It's pretty chop, so we do have to be patient and have to wait for the right thing, but we'll see. We will see. How's everyone's AM session? Bet I love your streams. My 11-year-old boy wants to know from you, MJ or LeBron. Oh, that's hard. LeBron. Yo, Riley with a $50. What's good, Ben? Just want to give you a huge shout out and say thank you for helping me become a better trader. This will probably be one of my last streams since I'm wanting to stream too, and I feel you scared me for a second, and I feel delayed my trading progress copying other people. Hey, brother, thank you for the $50. God bless, brother. Best of luck. Yeah, I'm saying LeBron. It's a tough decision, but I gotta go with LeBron, bro. I gotta. Patience is everything, though, guys. We're gonna find some beautiful entry here. I'm unfollowing you for that LeBron comment. Listen, it's a hard debate. It's a hard debate, but if I had to pick one, I'd pick LeBron. Most likely Ronaldo. Yeah, it'll be more calm. Well, it depends. Like, it depends on who goes into office, but we'll see. We'll see. Thank you for the $50, Riley. The $50. Just want to see price action give us a little bit of volatility here, break out of this. We got 4 minutes till 1:30, so hopefully we can get a nice little rally to the upside there. Hopefully we can get a nice little rally to the upside there, chat. Genuine question. Do you guys think Patrick Wyland bots his viewers? Because I always see this guy with so many viewers, but the chat rate is just not there. What do you think? Like 5K viewers, but his chat rate is the same as mine or Tanya's. But I don't think you can bot on YouTube. Like, how do you bot on YouTube? No, I'm not saying that, Nixie man. Look at that rally to the upside. Beautiful reaction. That's exactly what we want to see there. Wow, wow, wow. Beauty, beauty, beauty. That is lovely, chat. That is lovely. That one's lovely. The meta position's doing pretty good. I already I've already made $400. Just as simple as that. $400. If it goes back up to the break even today, I'll be up like $1,500. Doing nothing. We have Air Max tomorrow and FOMC both tomorrow. That's why I'm in it. No, I did not. Well, J-Dot, like, are you talking on Discord? Because I did DM you on Discord. Yeah, that is me. Hey, you can tune in once in a while, Riley. But yeah, that's what I want you guys to do. I want you guys to take your own trades. I don't want you guys to copy trade. You grow by taking your own trades. I want people, like, chat, type 1 if you watch my streams to copy trade. Type 2 if you watch my streams for knowledge and just insight and just conversations and general advice. Right? Look at that. I want to see all 2s. I don't want to see 1s. I want to see 2s, 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 and 2s. Look at that. That's what I want to see because you are growing. 2 2s, my word, bro. Arjuno. Listen, guys, this is a beautiful rally to the upside that we're getting. So hopefully we can break out of this range and cash some nice long. Hopefully, chat. Not going to be too caught up on it, though. Not going to be too caught up on it. You know what's been popping recently? Tradeify. Tradeify has been doing good. Yeah, we're breaking out of this range, guys. We're going to find a nice entry towards these highs. Let's see it. I love that reaction so far, so let's see it. Let's see it, let's see it, let's see it, chat. You got a TPT code now? Does Code Ben work now, guys? On TPT? They haven't told me if it works, if it started working or not. Can someone check with me if Code Ben works now? On Take Profit Trader? They haven't responded to me. You don't need to buy anything. Just let me know if it applies a discount or there is a code that says Code Ben. I'm trying. They take a while, dude. I don't know why. TPT's more like careful with who they let promote their things. Of course, brother. Riley, lock in, brother. Don't waste no time. Nah, it's not working. Dude, they take their sweet time on that. Look at Meta starting to rally up higher here. Beautiful long call so far. I just don't want it to react to that 15-minute. Meta's doing nice, though. My meta position is doing pretty nice. Bro, is there anyone from the west here? Is everyone from the east in these streams? Like, what do you mean the west? Are you talking about like Vancouver or Seattle? Or like, I'm from Toronto. I'm from the north, brother. Am I trading my PAs? Yeah, I mean, I have them logged in, but I'm debating on switching over to my other accounts. I'm thinking about, yeah, Polar Monkey's from Alaska, bro. Polar Monkey is from the west of the west. Good evening, brother. We're rallying pretty nicely, guys. This is a beautiful rally that we're getting to the upside here, so we'll see. Moon chats from Europe. Not me. We'll see. We'll see what can present itself today, guys. Hopefully we can get some nice low positions. Overcooked salmon with lemon, baby potatoes, green beans, and asparagus, sweet chili sauce. What made you just type that? Do I use 4 hour? I use power of 3 on all time frames. Yeah, all right, Riley. Listen, guys, I love this rally that we're getting back up to the upside. I do love that 1 hour inversion fair value gap. I do love how we wick this low here. I could see us reversing at this point. I could see us reversing here. Close above that gap on the daily chart. PM reversal. Doesn't look too shabby, chat. It does not look too shabby. I honestly see us reversing to the upside here. Look at that reaction right there, dude. Beautiful. It's exactly what we want to be seeing. Look at that, chat. Look at that loveliness. You just realized you're locked your account for the day? Shit. That's the worst. But that's the best as well, though, sometimes. Look at that reaction that we're getting. Beautiful, chat. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful expansion. All right, Riley. Looking forward to it, brother. Looking forward to it. I still got to pay my taxes, bro. I didn't get to do it at the bank. It took too long. I had to go home. It was a waste of time. I still have to pack and I have to go downtown Toronto today. I have so much stuff to do. It's not even funny. It's not even funny. But I'm looking at some nice longs here, guys. I do love that rally that we're getting to the upside. Riley's pumped up right now. Riley's top tier motivated. I want to see some sort of rally, guys. So far, it looks like it's just... I don't know. It looks nice for a reversal, though. But we'll see. We gotta wait a few seconds. It's only 137, so... It's just those highs I'm looking at right there, you know? Maybe it retravels back down to this 3-minute fair value gap or a 5-minute down here. Hey Ben, I just connected. What's up, brother? Yeah, dude, it's looking so beautiful. Like, man, I mean, I missed that entry right there. Did I enter my meta position on Webull? No, I use Wealthsimple. Like, look at that rally that we're getting right now, guys. There's no fill for me. I missed it, but it's looking beautiful, chat. It is looking beautiful. Like, look, I missed the inversion too. See? That's such a beautiful entry and I just missed it. It's because I just got on stream there. I was yapping. It's okay, though. We'll find another entry. We'll find another rally. How long... What's up, trading patiently? How long did it take you to get your psychology? Starrift? What? I'm not sure I understand that. Patience, 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 patience. Yo, Ollie, are you in my stream, bro? Oh, you are my stream. Yo, let's set up this clipping stuff. Are we all ignoring the fact that we got the new day opening gap below? Are you ignoring the fact that we don't have to fill the new day opening gap? It doesn't matter. We filled out the fair value gap. Sefi Zusi student just won monthly Robbins Cup 103 in 1 month. That's crazy. Dun, 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 dun. I never understood people that do the Robbins Cup. I never understand people that do the Robbins Cup. Because with that percentage of return, why don't you just trade your own live capital like that? Like why waste your time for approval? You know? We're getting a beautiful reaction. I really honestly just missed this trade, guys. I missed it. But it's all right. We'll find another one. Equal highs on ES. Think we need the cowboy hat? I don't know. Do we bring the cowboy hat? Do we bring the cowboy hat back? I'm looking for a reaction. I want to see a 5-minute rebalance too before I look for any longs here. Something like this here, maybe. Maybe just a little bit of a wick down. But it just looks so strong for bullishness right now, dude. No entry yet. That's so funny, bro. You know it says wicked? Nah, bro, it's wicked. Because I keep getting wicked out of my trades, CJG. I mean, we're right about bias. We called the longs up so far. We just didn't get our entry point, so that's pretty nice. Hold on. Look at that rally, dude. Oh, okay, yo, why are you spamming buy? I'm gonna guess what? I'm gonna time you out for 5 minutes instead of buying right now. Why are you doing that? Hold on, Ollie. I'm texting you the guy I want. Bag 2K, let's go DB trades. Like I said, guys, was right on those longs. Meta's not rallying with it. We just need to see a retracement now. We missed the first leg, so we need to wait for the rally down. Not too bad of a reaction for our ends. Not too shabby. Look at gold, looks like a good short. I'm not going to trade gold right now. See, we're in that 15-minute fair value gap again right now. We got to see if it's going to react back to it and sell off, or if we're going to continue up higher. And I'm going to anticipate we're going to continue up higher. But I'm paying attention to that gap right there. Not 15-minute. It looks like it's reusing it, but it looks pretty confident for longs here, chat. I don't see any inefficiencies that we could be getting an entry off of. Like, we either need a rebalance or another expansion here. That's it. That's it. Everyone, make sure to smash that like button, chat, if you're watching this stream. Hit that like button. Let's get to 200 likes, guys. If we can get to 200 likes, let's get to 100 first. But then 200 likes, chat. Dun, dun. Patience, 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 patience. See what the stock market's doing. Okay, so for the companies that have earnings, we have Meta down down 1.2%. We have Google down 0.3%. We have Amazon down 1%. We have Microsoft up 0.7%. Majority of the markets that have the news report earnings tomorrow are being negative today. Could be a sign, chat. I don't know. To me, I just see price action ripping tomorrow. And right now I see a nice long, like I see longing opportunities. I just don't have that entry yet. You know what I mean? Like we missed the entry down there and it's still just slowly itching higher, but it's not giving us a fair value gap. So we got to wait for some, I guess, 5-minute fill here. Yeah, FOMC is going to go crazy, chat. I'm telling you, FOMC is going to go crazy. I hate getting DMs of people on my Instagram saying, yo, bro, I can scale your brand to $50,000 a month, blah, 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 blah. We need more optimal entry for sure. But I'm looking at this PM reversal like it's bread and butter, though, chat. I'm looking at this PM reversal like it's bread and butter. One second. Guys, did you hear about like the updates Lucid's doing? Guys, you guys want me to do a giveaway with Lucid? I can get some Lucid accounts. I gotta say why. Want to run giveaways and all right, I just requested for 5 Lucid Flex evals to give away to you guys. I'll see if they'll give them to me. Lucid's doing crazy things, bro. They're such a good firm. But we got to see if they'll give it to me. Because I requested last month and the month before. Like, we'll see. I got to charge my battery in my chair. And yes, my chair has a battery. My chair has a battery, chat, and it gives me a back massage. But yeah, I'm gonna try to give you guys some giveaway accounts. Ideally, I'll do it in my Discord. So if you guys aren't in my Discord already, go to the link in the description. Linktree, the Lion's Den. Free Discord, guys. Couldn't log into Lucid earlier. Yeah, they're up now again. Look at this nice rally that we're getting here. What a beautiful rally. Beauty, 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 chat. Beauty. Look at that rally. Second chat. I'm thinking on switching my PA accounts out. I'm thinking on switching my PA accounts out and going to a different firm because I'm not loving the reaction that we're getting. Just like I like, look at that beautiful 5-minute reaction that we have there. Look at that beautiful rally. That is just so amazing. Yeah, 1 second, guys. Look at that reaction right there, guys. Look at that rally. The little 5-minute fair value gap as well. Beautiful. Look at that. It's going to rip up the buy side, guys. Like, if you guys are looking to target, I would look at that high right there. Anything past that, I kind of feel like is gambling. Like, even that is stretching it for a PM session. 15-minute major high up there. I'm going to buy here, guys. I'm just going to take a paper, though. I'm deciding not to do... I'm going to decide not to do my PAs. I like that 5-minute fair value gap reaction. Let's just see if we can react off of this here. I'm trading off that 5-minute fair value gap. Right there. That little one. I'm trying to play my PAs as safe as possible right now, guys. I'm 2 trades away from a payout. I just want the 20K. So, if you guys... I'm sorry if I'm not trading my PAs every day. I know it's tempting. But I'm going to put my stop here. Then I'm going to put my TP up here. Hopefully we can get a nice rally. Beautiful 5-minute reaction, so we'll see. Very more aggressive type of entry here. Obviously, I'm not holding all the way to that full TP, guys. I'm going to partial out of these low resistance liquidity run highs, but I do want to see price action rip up higher here. Continue up higher for a PM reversal to the upside. That 5-minute fair value gap looks beautiful. If it starts to retest it, I'm just going to scale out. Did you just see YM? Just one straight consolidation? No, I don't trade YM. It doesn't matter to us what accounts you're trading. Yeah, I mean, some people just want me to be trading my PAs. They just feel like it's more organic. You know what I mean? Like, some people want me to be trading my PAs. I personally don't want to trade it today just because, like, we have so much shit going on tomorrow with earnings and everything. Look at that beautiful rally that we're starting to get on Meta. We have so much stuff coming out tomorrow that I feel like it could easily engineer highs, and that could cause me to just, I'd rather be more disciplined. I'd rather be more disciplined with not just choosing not to take my PAs on this trade. We're up like $500, chat. On this position with Meta. Is that trading into a 1 hour SIBI? Where? All the way up here again? I'm anticipating that's going to be disrespected. I'm looking at a reversal here. I just don't love the lack of movement that we're getting right now. Like the consolidation that we have in this. I want to invert this fair value gap that we have right here. Right? We just need to move up just a little bit more and then invert it, and then we're beautiful. Then we're gonna fly. Then we should fly. Once we invert that, if we can get a body like this, that'll be beautiful. That will be absolutely beautiful, chat. If we can get a body like that, I would love that. What's a SIBI? Sell side of balance, buy side inefficiency. It's a fair value gap. In other words. What's my best trading year? So far, it's been this. I mean, it's been this year by numbers because I've made the most, but that's just because I've risked the most. Last year was the best by statistics, but by numbers, this year. I'm already about to clear. Like I've already cleared $500,000 in revenue this year, and it's not even halfway over. So that's pretty good. Look at that reaction. Not too shabby there. Remember, I whatever money I make from trading, from affiliates, from sponsorships, from anything, I put into an options account, and then I very lightly risked options. That's what I'm doing right now with my Meta position. I'm in 100 grand of longs of Meta. And if it goes back to all-time highs, which it probably will, I'll make like 30K. And then that's another monthly 30K, you know? So that's what I do, is I grow my money with the options. I'm a big option player. I just don't really do it on stream that much. Like every once in a while, I'll tell you what I'm doing. But why would you enter in the middle of the 15-minute gap? Narrative, brother. Narrative, narrative, narrative. Make a video on how to trade options. It's a lot different because I'm also Canadian and I use a Canadian platform, so I don't feel like it would be that useful. I do think NQ could rally here. It's definitely a higher resistance liquidity run. It's not low resistance, but I do think we could get a nice rally here. Right, that 5-minute fair value gap is a beautiful reaction. I just want to see it continue to drop higher and not fail. 15-minute looks strong. I would love a displacement though. That would be beautiful. $500,000 just from trading, or in general? In general. From options, from everything. Like this year, I'm on pace to do like 1.5 million. If I can continue what I'm doing. But remember, the more I make, the more I make. You know what I mean? Like as an option trader, if I make 100K a month, I'm risking that amount. Like not that amount, but I'm risking a specific amount. If I start making 500K a month, then I'm going to start risking more. So the more I make, the more I make. So if I stay at this pace, I'll be doing 1.5 million this year. But if I can, you know, start up risking a little bit and things go right, I could maybe clear 2. I lose your long on Dia on calls for QQQ just now. Let's go, brother. Are options the move? Options are the move if you have a lot of capital. It is not the move if you're still trying to be successful. Options is not something you do to become successful. Options is something you start to do once you become successful. It's a tool that you use to grow your money with more risk. But with more risk is more reward. But if I lost 100 grand right now, if for some reason this trade dumped to the floor, I will be fine. I will make that back next month. But if you guys lose 100 grand right now, that I don't know your situation, but that would be a lot worse. So don't do what I do if you don't have a lot of money. I want to see it start rallying up higher. It's a beautiful reaction, but I do think it can continue up a little bit more than what we're doing right now. There we go. Look at that. Nice. Anyone in this trade? Anyone else in this? I'm going to drag my stop this low. When are you going to break even? Up here. Or if we can get a nice little low form and then a displacement. Holding 2 contracts. Nice. I want to see price action continue up higher. I think we can get a nice little rally. Nice little rally would be pretty sweet here, chat. Am I allowed to show tides on YT? Let me see. Can No, I probably won't be able to. Just joined. Can you go over why you entered? PM reversal, internal range high, 5-minute IO Fed entry. 5-minute IO Fed, institutional order flow entry draw on that 5-minute. That's what this entry is, guys. Institutional order flow entry draw on that 5-minute chart. Micros and minis are so uncorrelated, like right now. Damn. Not too much. That's not what I like, is these little the lack of like, hold on. Not worried, guys. Look what we have here. It's a little wall. It's high resistance liquidity run. I do think about dragging to basically break even here. If I drag my stop here, that would be basically covering this position. Because of that reaction, it's not clean. I might drag it here. I don't think it's going to go there, but I'll put it to these body lows in case it wants to touch that. So basically position risk is off this trade, basically barely risking anything on it. I do think it's just going to continue up higher. That's a little bit of manipulation, but like I said, remember when I said earlier where I would drag to break even is if we rip up and break this high, I'm dragging my stop loss to this low. So it'd be very nice if we can rip back up to this high now. But my stop loss is at these equal body lows, so majority of the position is off already. If we can rip back up to these highs though, guys, it's going to be beautiful. We did body pretty high in that 15-minute, so that is good for us. It's a new 4-hour candle, so it could be open, low, high, close, you know? The only thing I'm looking at. Yeah, I'm done taking things for the day too, J-Dot. This is not on my PAs. I'm making the right decision and staying disciplined in this situation. That's why I'm papering. That's the right decision, guys, for today, is if you're looking to trade on your lives, paper or use a different account you don't really value. But I still think we can potentially rip up here. I don't see us dumping off. My only worry is just going back to a 5-minute here, then turning up. Then I'd have to get a re-entry. We got to push up higher from this point. If we don't push up higher from this point, I'm closing. We got to push up higher from this exactly right now, or I'm closing. Like, I'm hovering over the close button here, chat. We got to invert that fair value gap. Then I can drag my stop loss to that low once we break this high. We got to push up. We have 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Very interesting body close there, guys. Very interesting body close. We got, if once we trade into this fair value gap, we got to rip right past it. That's for sure. That's guaranteed. Like, we got to rip right past it. We can't dilly-dally around it. Bro in chat comment. Bro, chat, look at Michael's comment. I'm 5 candles ahead. It will go down to 27,129. Nah, bro, you're not 5 candles ahead. You're just, the stream's delayed on your end. Oh, my stop's not at the equal body lows. It's actually, oh, that would have been upsetting if I would have got stopped out there. Right there. You're not 5 candles ahead, bro. You're 5 minutes behind on the stream. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. Actually was. We really got to push up here, dude. This is our last line of defense right now. Like, souping this low. Thinking of closing on just like $150. Basically break even. See what this candle does. This candle open here. This just has to push up. I love the rejection that we're getting right now, but we're getting no bullish movement right now. We need to invert these this fair value gap up here. Once we could touch these highs, I'm aggressively dragging my stop loss right to that low. Yeah, see that failure right there? Yeah, I'm not trading my PAs, but I am treating it like it is my PAs. Just for you guys. It's very iffy right now, chat. 2-minute fair value gap needs to be inverted. I think about closing at break even, waiting for the 2 minutes to invert, then re-enter. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna close if it moves down here. I'm so confident in this ripping up higher. Pushing my stop up to this low now. Not in terms of me confident that it's ripping up higher. Yeah, there, look at that. We got to invert the 2 minute now though. So what I'm doing right now is I'm dragging my stop very aggressively. After we have that, I'm dragging my stop to that previous candle low. This is an aggressive stop. I've seen this many times before. It can easily just wick back down lower. So now I'm only risking $100 on this. Look how tight my stop loss is. See that wick? That's a killer wick. So I'm giving it a little bit of room in case it wants to turn negative, then body back up higher. But what I'm looking at right now is that 2 minute fair value gap. Are we going to body past it? If we do, I'm sitting in this trade. I can lean back. I can relax. But if we don't, I'm really going to hover over closing. That's a nice body reaction so far. We have 7 seconds though to see if we can push up. Not too shabby of a body reaction. Not too shabby. I mean, it is respecting it, but it is bodying inside of that fair value gap. We got to push up higher from here, dude. Let's go look at the 15 second. Look at all these fair value gaps we have to invert. Look at that wick right there. I mean, structure broke to the upside, but other than that, it's not looking too clean. That's why I'm thinking about like that's why my stop is so aggressive right now. That's why my stop is so aggressive. It's because I'm pretty, like, if we're going to move up higher, I'm confident that it's going to move up higher now. If we aren't going to move up higher, then we're just going to fail this level right here. And that's going to be a manipulation wick. Yeah, I'm break even here. Like, I'm hesitating right now to close. I just don't feel like it should. Like, it's right around break even. I just need to relax. It's only $100. Just paying attention to like what we are pushing off of right now. Like, we're in that 3 minute fair value gap that we're respecting fairly well. We're rejecting to turn up higher. Yeah, I mean, my stop's basically break even. It's only $100, so I think it's just something you just sit and wait on. We just broke out of this consolidation range too, so just give it its room. It shouldn't go back down to this level here. Trap, those are trap sellers. Oh wait, my stop needs to be just a tick below. Right there. Right there. Those are trap sellers right here. We shouldn't, if we're gonna continue up higher, this level right here should not get traded to. So I'm just gonna sit with that. Look how tight our stop is. So we should be fine. An expansion here would be beautiful. Just get us out of that. Bro said he's not shooting for the highs, but has TP there. Have you ever heard of fucking partials, bro? Not that bad of a reaction, but again, like that 2 minute, dude. It's that 2 minute that's killer. We need to invert that 2 minute. It's a 2 minute wall of doom right now. Damn, a little bit of sass came out there. Am I sassy, chat? Am I sassy, trader? Am I sassy, trader? Be honest. Yeah, kind of. Not that bad of a reaction there. Give us a little bit more breathing room. I'm hella sassy, but it's necessary. All right, once we body above this high, we don't do anything because our stop loss is already there. Ooh, nice metas. Pushing. Push meta. How much are we up now? We are Still up $500. I don't get why people, so there's some people out there that don't invest. Like, we just made $500 today in the span of like an hour doing nothing, and the market barely moved. Like, why do people not invest? That's like my biggest question. Is there's people there that just keep their money in their account. Like, why would anybody do that, chat? Not too shabby, guys. Once again, we need an expansion out of this. The bias is bullish. We're slowly itching. It's higher resistance liquidity run, but now we can sit back and kind of breathe and relax. Trust the bias. Now that we're getting that rally up, I'm glad it didn't close. My assassin has been coming out a lot. By the way, guys, if you want to get funded next accounts, you can use that using code Ben. The heck? Not a bad reaction there, chat. Not a shabby reaction there. Sorry. I have a lot of stuff to plan for tomorrow, guys. We need a body above that high, dude. That is not a reaction we want to see. That is terrible. We need a body above this high here in 2 minutes, in 3 minutes. We should be good because like we have time, but we need a body above that high, dude. That is like crucial. There we go. W in the chat. W's in the chat. Ah. W's in the chat. Look at that reaction right there. That's why patience pays, guys. Beauty. PM reversal. Anyone still in it? Type 1 if you're still in it. Type 1 if you grind it out with me. Beauty. Now we can drag our stop to break even here. I'm just gonna drag it to that low. All right, free trade. Free trade. Guys, I'm gonna be making my Discord public. So right now you know I have to join through WAP and connect your email. I'm gonna get rid of that. I'm gonna get some mods and I'm gonna get some AI bots and stuff to make sure there's no dumb stuff. But I'm gonna make it fully public. You can join it right now if you want. It's free. Look at that beautiful reaction to the upside there, chat. No, I like New York Open the most. Let's see if Lucid accepted my request for the giveaways. Still pending. Look at that, chat. W trade. So beautiful. That is so beautiful. That is so beautiful, chat. So beautiful. Have you heard about Polish YouTuber and his stream where he raised 80 million? Yeah, I heard about that. That's crazy. I saw that, Pumex. That's crazy. Look at that rally that we're getting. Oh, the PM is so beautiful today. I love a good PM reversal, chat. It's like a gift. Don't touch the trade, guys. What gave you the confirmation for the trade? 5-minute institutional order flow entry, Joe, brother. Wow. Wow. Yo, Ben, I gotta go. I'll get back to you with all the Clipper info tonight. Hey, brother, say thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it, Ollie. I'll stay tuned. I'll be really busy tonight, though. Look at that, guys. Look at that rip. Oh, we're in a runner, guys. We're in a runner. Bounce off the VWAP. That don't matter. We're in a runner, chat. We are in a runner. Lock and load. Lock and load, chat. Lock and load. Come on. Come on, baby. Look at that Louisiana run, baby. That Louisiana run, baby. Huh? Come on, baby. Connie, baby. Get that Louisiana boil, baby. A seafood boil, baby. The Old Bay, baby. Who am I? Come on. Rally up. Look at that. Look at that beautiful reaction that we got right there. I want to see price action continue up higher. Make higher highs here. Gotta be disciplined. Gotta be patient, though. We're gonna drag a stop to this low here. Secure profits on this. Secure Profitos on that, chat. Chat. Look at this. Look at this gift of a trade that we got. Y'all still in it? Y'all better still be in it. Y'all better still be in it. Do you trade post FOMO? You mean FOMC? Yeah. I'm sorry I got out. Happy with the profits for me. Hey, if you're happy with it, then walk away. That's for sure. I see us running here, guys. I see us running here. There's a PM reversal. It's bread and butter. Come on. I see us running here. Running to the sky. What? Oh, I just closed my... Bro. Hold on, chat. There we go. There we go. Insane W trade. Thank you, brother. What about earnings? Listen, I've just put 100 grand into Meta, bro. I just put $100,000 into Meta for earnings. Meta is gonna fly. I literally bought it at the low of the day today too. That's my fill price, dude. We're gonna fly, dude. Like I'm telling you, that's the low. Where we just made a low of lows. What is my Meta position up in the past 2 hours? From sitting on my ass doing nothing, we have made still $500. I don't know why it hasn't changed. $500 in 2 hours. We again, it's higher resistance. It's not low resistance liquidity run, so we're not anticipating a straight fair value gaps to the buy side. We are anticipating it's going to take a little bit slower and have a little bit of manipulation candles. But we just got to wait. Meta looks like it's beautiful. Rally to the upside as well. I got a beautiful entry on Meta as well. Hopefully it can push up above these highs. I just see Meta going up 10% tomorrow, dude. I'm sorry, but I just see it. I just see it, chat. I have a vision, and that vision is strong. Meta earnings, 10%. Come on. Not loving how it's taken a long time though, chat. That's for sure. What is Meta? You don't know what Meta is? Like Instagram, Facebook. Meta, the stock, right here. One of the largest companies in the world. They have like $1.7 trillion market cap. Tesla's at 1.4 trillion. That's crazy. If only OpenAI had a stock, dude. Oh my gosh. If only OpenAI was publicly traded, man. We need to see an expansion very soon here, guys. We need to see expansion very soon here, guys. Not a lot of people are live streaming PM session. Like not a lot of people live stream PM session anymore. Top Step does. Is Top Step TV even any good? Like, are they ever good? I feel like they're not. Yeah, I'm pretty bullish too. I just joined. Ben, I'm so disappointed. I've just seen the paper trading logo at the bottom. Baiting viewers and thinking. I still think I'm kind of new to SMC. Only been learning for 11-ish months. Can you explain institutional influential, Joe? So it's literally just catching continuation. Like, you want to see price action just slightly fluctuate. And you want to catch these little leg runs into fair value gaps. So you just, it's basically like trend trading. Look at Meta, beautiful rally. Beautiful rally. Meta's pushing here. We're gonna go to TP, dude. This is so obvious. This is such a beautiful trade, chat. This is such a beautiful trade. YAD, he's a OG, bro. We need one more expansion though, chat. Like, I mean, like, we have a beautiful reasoning to why we're going to rip up higher and have a PM reversal. I do look at this as the low of the week. I look at this as the low of the week, chat. I see us going back up to all times. All-time highs. All-time highs is going back, chat. This is the low of the week. I could hold this. I don't see us reversing down the sell side. Not at all. Not at all. Brian GG, thank you for the sub. I'm in a fair value gap. I knew it. I just know it. I just know these things. Golden Tiger, thank you for the sub. No, I mean, I'm just pretty confident in longs here, chat. We need just to react off this 5 minutes. Another leg of manipulation like we have here. I don't know. I just see us really pushing up. You look at the 4-hour chart. Look at that new 4-hour open. Like, I don't see us pushing back down towards those lows. The only reason why we would do that is to go to the new day opening gap. But other than that, I see us pushing up. But regardless, I'm closing here, walking away with profits no matter what on this PM session. It'd be a shame if we get wicked out, but bounce off the VWAP again. Wow, look at that reaction off the VWAP, dude. Holy. Look at that. That sell-off is beautiful. That is crazy. I'm staying on the 5-minute chart here. I'm staying on the 5-minute. I'm just staying on the 5. to the tick prediction, what would ICT said about this? What do you mean? Yeah, Chad, there's nothing really to do right now. You just got to let the trade rally. You just got to sit back and have a good time and relax. Like, there's nothing to be forcing in right now. Markets are slightly correcting itself, but do I see a reversal? No, not really. I see us turning back up higher. I mean, we trade into a 5-minute fair value gap. It's not a good body reaction, but I see us ripping up higher here. Explain what a rebalance is. Rally, push down, then back up. That's a rebalance. Rebalancing this range. So for example, we rally up, we push down, push back up, that's a rebalance. Push down, push back up, that's a rebalance. And that's what I'm saying is happening, is we're rebalancing right now. We're not reversing. But either way, we're not going to touch our stop. If we get stopped up, we'll walk away with a couple $100. I'll be fine with that. Money's money. You can't get too greedy, especially in a day like today when we have crazy earnings tomorrow. You cannot be too greedy. Never. Not a bad reaction there. Not a bad reaction there whatsoever. Not J dot, just Discord. I see us rallying up straight up higher from this point. We just need more speed to it, dude. Like, look at that 5-minute. Look at that reaction. We should push up higher from here. If we don't, I'd be pretty surprised. Hopefully this gets a full trade. It looks so nice, guys. This profile looks so nice. Like, the 4-hour looks nice. Everything looks nice about it rallying back up to the previous 4-hour high, chat. Everything looks nice about that previous 4-hour high right there. That's all we're targeting, guys, is that previous 4-hour high. We're just a little bit higher than that, but there's a 4-hour fair value gap there as well. We're just targeting a 4-hour fair value gap. That's all we're looking for. I see us ripping up there, guys. It's just patience pays. Patience is going to pay the trader. You just got to be patient right now. Go fidget with something. I don't know. Go on your phone. Relax. Cool your beans, dude. We're going to find a nice entry. I'm a little bit tired now, guys. I've been like going all over the place, and I still got to go pay my taxes and stuff. So I do have a very busy day today. And I still got to go downtown Toronto. Look at that. Look at that reaction right there, guys. Look at that reaction. Patience. It's high resistance liquidity, but we're going to rally up. We need to invert this fair value gap here. If we can invert this fair value gap, we're just going to be up from this point on forward. But I mean, like, again, we could engineer highs for tomorrow. Like, you do have to remember that tomorrow is a huge day in the stock market, guys. Like, tomorrow's going to be massive. We have FOMC and all those earnings, guys. Tomorrow is going to be huge. Post-market tomorrow. So, hopefully that we can get a little bit of delivery here, not anticipating that that's not going to do too much. What the fuck is going on in the Discord? What's happening? Yo, what the fuck? Bro. Nothing to fight yet. Nothing to fight. I mean, it's a grinder, but it's going to rally up higher, guys. It's a grinder, but it's going to rally up higher. The narrative is bullish, so every little rally down lower is just something you have to survive, and it's going to continue to push back up higher. It's just how well can you survive it. Ooh, I want sushi chat. Look at that reaction. You're cutting, right? Yeah. Why? Look at that right there, chat. I told y'all this was going to rally up higher. Sushi with 3-hour delivery time. Bro, it took so long. You don't even understand. It took an hour and a half to get sushi. Remember when I ordered it on stream, chat? An hour and a half. An hour and a half, chat, to get that sushi. That's robbery. I'm not paying for that delivery. Like, what? Look at that rally back up to the highs, baby. Let's go. Can't lie. Yes, I tipped the delivery driver, bro. He did 2 stops. He's a hustler. It's just, why are you doing 2 stops? I want my food. Look at this rally back up to the highs, baby. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Patience pays. Are we at 22,100 subscribers yet? Oh, we're 3 subs away. 3 subs away, guys. We need 3 subscribers. 3 subs. 3 subaroonies. Canadian is tipping culture. Canada has a lot of tipping culture. It's because the government doesn't pay us enough to be happy with our paychecks, so we rely on tips. Great trade, bro. Thank you, brother. I mean, it's not... It inverted it, but then it's starting to rally back down lower. We need an expansion very soon here. No, I don't use the Financial Juice app. I think we're going to get an expansion to the upside very soon. So just sit on your hands, guys, and relax. Don't worry. Be happy. Look at that. Look at that, chat. Y'all still in this trade? Just making sure. Did you guys didn't sell down here, did you? You guys didn't sell down there, did you? Look at that 15-minute body. Look at that 15-minute. Look at all that manipulation. We all have distribution left. Dude, look at this closer. Look at this close. Look at that closure right there. Look at that close on that 15-minute. We're ripping up straight from this point. Oh, we're flying. We're flying. We're flying. It's time to fly, chat. Oh, it's flying. It's flying here. Come on. Give it a second. Give it a second. It's going. It's going, and then it's gone. That's simple. Two subscribers away, guys. I need 2 subs. If you're watching this and not subbed yet, make sure to smash that subscribe button. Bro, it's taking forever. Just give us that rip, man. I'm going to drag my stop loss this high, though, here, because that's like the mature thing to do. All right, more profits guaranteed on this trade, which is nice. Basically, 1-to-1 R. Guaranteed. What is that, 1-to-1? Maybe just under 1-to-1? Under one. We're in that 1-minute fair value gap. We should rally up here. Hussein A with the subscription. I appreciate it, brother. You might be the 99th. You are the 99th subscriber. We need one more. Oh, like look at that 15-minute chart, chat. That 15-minute chart looks way too clean for us to reverse here. Like that looks so clean for longs. We have that 15-minute inversion as well. We should be up from here. I got so much shit to do too. I hate how it's taking so long on the one day where I'm super busy. Hey, 22,100. Thank you guys. Oh, baby. We're on the 2-minute. There's the 1. We're going to go on the 5. 5 looks better. This is taking forever, chat. Ben, you were at 5K, what feels like yesterday? Yeah, chat. Doesn't my, like, success on YouTube feel so fast? Like, who was here watching me before 10K subs? Like, we're at 22,000 subscribers, bro. Subs, I'm new here in the scene in general. What type of trading you do? It's called ICT. I trade both a mixture of prop firms, live funds, options, all of it. I trade a mixture of all of it, guys. We're at 110 likes on this. 111 likes too. Bring that bull out. Guys, do we bring the bull out? Do we bring the bull? Do we bring the bull? Does the bull pull? Does the bull come out? I think we do it. I think we do it, chat. Here it is. Benny the Bull. Come on. It's got to work once. It's got to work once. All right? It's got to work once. Benny the Bull, chat. We're here. Benny the Bull. We're ending the curse, chat. We're ending the curse. Okay, if we lose this trade, I'm throwing the bull away. I'm not even kidding. If this trade does this, I'm throwing the bull away. The bull's gone. What's up, Deej? How's it going, brother? The bull is going to be thrown away if this gets reversed. We're expanding, guys. It's nothing to worry about. Put the bull on the wheel. All your success is well deserved, bro. You funny as fuck. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I'm a little tired right now, guys. I'm a little tired right now, so I'm not giving you that much energy. I'm just really stressed thinking about like getting Vegas ready, but oh, you know when you hit a stretch and it's just like every part of your body. Oh my gosh, bro. Dude, this is comfortable. I could do this. I could do this. I could trade like this. This is so comfortable, chat. You guys don't understand. Look, Benny the Bull's working. Benny the Bull is working, chat. Yeah, shoulda, coulda, woulda. It's all good, brother. It's still a good signal. Happy with it. Benny the Bull is working. I told you guys, it's not the bull, bro. I'm not throwing out the bull. The bull's fine. The bull does not cause bearishness. It's bullishness. No. Someone pulled the fire alarm in square one, so I left. Nobody saw me at square one. I'll do more advanced notice next time. Look at that rally. Oh! Look at meta. Look at meta. Look at that. Yes, sir. Let's check how much I'm up now. I'm up 600. 6 bills, bro. Take a partial? Nah. Not yet. No partials yet. Going back to my hub. Going back to my comfortable little position here. This is beautiful support and resistance trade. Get the fuck out of here, bro. This ain't no support and resistance shit. This trade though, chat. Can you appreciate a nice trade like this? Can you? I can. I can appreciate a very nice trade like that. It's very beautiful. I was at square one in Mississauga. Yeah, I posted in my Discord to everyone. If you can find me, I'm at square one. But I'm not going to be there now. I'm going to Toronto tonight. I'm going to downtown. Patience is everything, guys, though. Patience is absolutely everything. Go sit back in your chair. Look, we need Benny the Bull again. Look. All right? I'm not even going to look at the charts. I know it's ripping. I just know it's ripping. Okay, right now we're probably up like $1,150. Probably like pushing $1,200 a little bit. But we're going to give us a nice little expansion very soon. That's what I'm guessing. That's what Benny the Bull is telling me. Look at this. Look at this expansion. Look at Benny the Bull, bro. We're going to rip. I'm bored, if you guys can't tell. Ben, don't be salty that you didn't bottom tick this. Okay, bro. Raheem. Raheem, you need to make an alt account or something. There we go. There we go. Look at that. Look at that rally. Mwah. A beautiful PM trade, dude. Dude, I'm so bored. I'm white. Like, holy shit. Bro, I'm so white, dude. Like, actually, it's bad. Like, why am I so white? That's not a good reaction. Benny the Bull, bro. What are you doing? Pull up. Lock in, Benny. Lock in. Lock in. I'm throwing you out. Okay? Listen. You're getting thrown out. You're getting thrown out if you fuck up this trade. All right? I'm throwing you at a wall. Really? Really? This is a long trade, chat. I'm still so bullish on that 15-minute. There's no need for me to touch anything. That bull is cursed. Nah, we're chilling, bro. We're chilling, chat. I swear. Chat, we're fine. We're fine, chat. Come on, give us a beautiful rally to the upside. You're gonna go to sleep? Brother, it's 2:30. Look at this dump and pump and dump we had with fucking Meta, bro. We just got blue balled. Look at that. Look at that dump and then just pump and then dump, bro. L Meta. L Meta, chat. L Meta. NQ's ripping though. Sweeping out all these lows. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah! Create an inversion here. Create a nice inversion. I'm telling you, we're going to TP. It's just going to take a little while. It's just going to take a little while. It might take a bit. It might take a bit. But we're going to TP, chat. If you believe it or not. Believe it and you will achieve it. All right? This is brutal. What happened to Meta? Like, hello, what do we do? What are we doing here? What are we doing here, Meta? Meta, we were doing so well. What are we doing here, Meta? Come on. We were doing so beautiful. What are you doing? And NQ, stop dilly-dallying around and give us an expansion. Stop ripping lower than expanding back to where we were. Let's go, YT Deshante. We're gonna get a rip very soon. Like, we have a new hourly candle, chat. New hourly candle. Look at this. Oh yeah, that's so bullish. That's the low of the week. That's the low of the week. Tell me that is not the low of the week. That is the low of the week. We're so bullish. Look at that. Look at that. That is so bullish. If you're not bullish, you might be a donut, bro. You might be a cheese ball. You might be a cheese nugget. Yeah, you're a chicken nugget if you're not bullish, bro. I swear. If you be taking shorts right now, you're a chicken nugget. Like, seriously. Like, you cannot be bearish in this. Benny the Bull, I guess, is delivering. He's just taking his sweet ass time. Dude, we're dumping, bro. What are you doing? What are you doing, Meta? I don't like that. Meta, no. Bad boy. We don't want that dump. We had so much time to grind up and now we're just selling. That's going to cause NQ to dump. How much am I up on Meta? Now I'm like only up like $350. I just opened the position like a couple hours ago. I opened up the position at 667. We're at 67. Don't you dare, bro. Look at that. Beauty, beauty, beauty. Come on. Rally up to the upside. By the way, guys, you can use code BEN on Apex Trader Funding, which is 90% off. Lucid Trading, Tradeify, code BEN. Alpha Futures. Also, if you use Alpha Futures accounts, code BEN as well. Funded next. And then soon take Profit Trader. Look at that rally, dude. Such a W. We're going to full TP here. Come on. Just have to pay. You just have to have the patience and discipline to sit through it. L Meta, bro. Meta's just dumping right now. Look at that. Woo! Right, baby. Everyone make sure to join my free Discord. Link in the description of this live stream, guys. If you want to win giveaways and stuff. Look at that. Chat. Tell me that is not love. Tell me that is not love right there. Tell me that is not better than love. Oh my... gosh! That's not good, but that is lovely. I'm out on that pump. Nice, CJG. When am I eligible for my payout? I didn't take this on my PAs. I need 2 more trades. Then I can take my payout. I want everyone, if you just close your trade, to post your trade in my Discord in the general chat. And then when you're done, post it. Post the P&L. Will it reach a target? That's what I'm anticipating. Too much more to go, guys. We're already at 1.4K. Drag stop. Yeah, I mean, we can drag it to that low there. That doesn't seem too bad. Meta really is dumping. What the fuck is causing this dump here, Meta? That looks really bad. That looks like low resistance liquidity run, wiping all of that out. That looks really bad. I'm not worried because tomorrow it can move lower if it wants. Tomorrow is where the earnings are coming. Tomorrow we're gonna gap up here. We're gonna gap up. I'm anticipating tomorrow we gap up at least like 7% up here. I'll be up like $8,000 if we can do that. Wake up tomorrow up 8K. That would be the best. I hate extended trading hours with Meta, bro. I like regular trading hours. Extended hours are terrible. I hate that. I always turn on regular trading hours. Look at that rally! Look at that! Dub. Dub, 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 dub. Make sure to smash that subscribe button, guys. Look at that, dude. Chat. I just love a good trade, man. I just love a good trade. It just sits with me, you know? It's a connection. Look at that. Oh. Chat, type 1 if you're still in this trade. If you're still in this trade waiting. I'm probably going to close here at that 4-hour fair value gap. $4.5 RR, no partials, chat. $4.5R, no partials. I can go for 5 RR if I go up there, but I'm just gonna close it there. If I go up here, chat, that's 5 RR, chat. No partials. Look at that. Dude. Tell me that is not love. Benny the Bull with the delivery. Benny the Bull with the delivery. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's go. What are your opinions on Arsenal? Trash. You haven't even taken that 4-hour high yet. So I'm not closing. Let's just not waste no more time. Let's go. Let's rip. No more time wasting. No more time. You guys are funny. Okay, Arsenal is like the Toronto Maple Leafs. They're a good team. And people want them to win. But they never win. Am I wrong? Am I wrong? I'm wrong? Really, YAD? So what happened this year? I don't even watch soccer and I know what happened this year. It's rigged against Arsenal. I'm so tired. Guys, I have to go. I have to go pay my taxes before the bank closes, or else I'm gonna miss my tax due date. This is a W signal, though. This was a W signal, like a 5R trade, bro. No partials. W Ben. W Ben. We're gonna rip very soon. Anthony Joshua or... What the fuck? I didn't even click anything. Where did that come from? Where did that come from? I'm leaning back. I can't even click my soundboard. Bro, the market's telling me that it's about to do that to me. I'm about to get baited. Why were you bullish for PM session? PM reversal. Low of the week. This is taking forever, bro. Chat, I'm getting exhausted. I'm extremely bored. I just want something to do right now. I need something to fidget with. Ugh. You know, I need glasses. I can't even see the charts. I just see like foggy green shit. And what I'm doing is I'm just looking at it and seeing if it's getting close to that blue line. And if I do, I'll lean up and start looking. If I do, I'll start leaning up and start looking, but I cannot see anything. I'm thinking about closing now, bro. I gotta go. This is a good enough trade, right? 3R. Would you guys be happy with this if I closed now? 3.7R. I'll be happy with it. It's like 4RR. I'm closing this shit, bro. I'm finally funded. Let's go, David. Here, I'll drag my stop here. Let's see. Let's see. I'm just setting and forgetting, chat. I'm just setting and forgetting in this situation. I don't like how Meta's rallying lower. Like, what's going on, dude? The Nasdaq is ripping. Is this like some level of manipulation? Come on. I'm extremely tired now. Giveaways? I'm waiting for Lucid to give me the accounts, then I'll do the giveaway. Let's see if they gave it to me yet. No, that's still pending. Lucid Trading, still waiting for them. Still awaiting. Yeah, I'm probably going to get out here, guys. 3.5R. $1,500. All right, we're out. W, chat. That's wrapping up the PM session. Look at that trade. Look at that beautiful trade, man. Look at that lovely trade, dude. 3.6R. That's such a dub. W Ben, bro. W chat. W PM session. Your Toronto Midtown. Nice, brother. TQQQ is a very risky thing. Like, holding it longer than 10 years is never a good decision, but just do your thing. Hold it short term, brother. All right, fellas. God bless you all. We're going to be live tomorrow, 9:20 a.m. Eastern time, and then that's it. Then you'll see me next in Vegas, getting ready for the best vlog of our lives. God bless. Great trade today. Great PM session. W's in the chat. We're going to finish in prayer. Let's go. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for another amazing day and opportunity. Lord, please be with us, protect us, and forgive us for our sins, and remind us that everything happens for a reason. Please be with us and remind us that it's all part of your plan, and we just need to have faith in you and make the right decisions. In Jesus Christ's whole amazing name we pray. Amen. All right, chat. W win, 3.5R. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. God bless. TP was $1,500. And yeah, don't forget to use code BEN on your favorite platforms. God bless. Stay safe. I'll see you guys in the next one.